Hey, good morning, everybody. Super quick video today. We've actually gone over narrative techniques as a skill before. We talked about our strategy where we annotate through the lens of looking for a technique. We annotate for the technique, and then we just ask ourselves, okay, what's the author want me to feel? What does the author want me to understand? And so we use that reader response strategy. How the technique makes us feel to understand the purpose of it. But today is just a review of some of the narrative techniques we'll see in part 1 and part 2 of Lamb to the Slaughter, which we're reading in lesson 106, and today, lesson 107. And so quick objective, available in a multitude of languages. We're analyzing how an author uses specific techniques or details to create certain effects for the reader. Our reader response strategy will help us do that. And we're going to be able to define dramatic irony, plot twist, ambiguity, and suspense. So, some quick techniques and definitions. Dramatic irony, it's when the audience knows something that a character in the story does not. For example, in this picture, the lady swimming does not see the shark. We do, but she doesn't. That's how dramatic irony works. Also, if you've ever watched a movie, like a horror movie, where the white character is like, let's split up, and you know it's a bad idea. Dramatic irony. Plot twist is a sudden, unexpected change in the events of the story. So things are happening, and whoa, plot twist, something unexpected happens. Think like anything. Think like at the end of Sixth Sense when that Bruce Willis's character was dead the whole time. For ambiguity. Uncertainty is when a scene or the ending of something is deliberately open to interpretation. And to illustrate my point, look at this picture. Is it a duck looking sideways or is it a rabbit looking up? It could be either one. It's open to interpretation. And scenes that are like that, where you can interpret it one way or the other, are ambiguous. Good morning. And then authors use these techniques to create effects on the audience. So when we analyze these techniques and we ask ourselves, how do I feel now? What is the purpose? These are some of the things you might come up with. You might come up with tension, which is that uncomfortable edge of your seat feeling that something bad or something big is about to happen. Look at this tense face. You might come up with suspense, that feeling where you just need to know what happens next. A lot of mystery type stories work with tension and suspense, especially, where you just need to know what happens. You need to know how it ends. And then surprise is when you feel shock because something unexpected or unlikely happens. And those are kind of the big three that we're working with in Lamb to the Slaughter. Tension, suspense, surprise. I'm asking you to check out the practice activity. There's a movie trailer and some questions that I think will help you understand some of these techniques, and the master check is available on paper behind my desk. I'm still trying to find a good color, but it'll be ready by the time you get to class. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Good luck today with this lesson. Let's be productive, and if you have any questions, just let me know.